USA Clean Equipment Recycling helps our customers make decisions to recycle, recondition, and redeploy their floor equipment. This program is the environmentally sustainable way to recapitalize and upgrade floor cleaning equipment fleets. When equipment arrives at USA Clean's Decatur, Illinois facility, the make, model, serial number, and condition are entered into our fleet management software as part of the receiving process. Lightly used equipment is washed, tested, and ready for redeployment. Equipment with significant structural damage is selected for recycling. Old batteries, tanks, motors, wiring, and other parts are recycled or refurbished for future use. Equipment that can be overhauled to like-new status is sent for reconditioning. The first step is a thorough cleaning. Where possible, sub-assemblies are dismantled and fully stripped clean in a dip tank. USA Clean also uses a high-power heated pressure washing system to clear away the tough debris and grime attached to most floor equipment. Our certified filtration system ensures that the wastewater is disposed of in an environmentally friendly way. Once the equipment is clean and dry, it's rolled into one of our service bays. Reconditioning involves replacing all major components such as batteries, wheels, and vacuum motors. Each machine gets outfitted with a specific rebuild kit pulled from our on-site warehouse, stocked with hundreds of thousands of replacement parts. Once our repair technicians have the machine running smoothly, the equipment undergoes a final cleanup. It gets detailed, flamed, and looks great as it heads to quality control to be thoroughly tested. Our quality control department spends 30 minutes with each machine, simulating real-world conditions and testing every machine function before marking equipment ready to redeploy. The last step we take to ensure a high-quality reconditioned product is to securely palletize the equipment to ensure safe shipping. The USA Clean Equipment Recycling Program is the sustainable, smart way to refresh floor equipment.